Welcome to a Minute of Insight, where we unravel the mysteries of machine learning. Imagine a digital brain, constantly learning and evolving, improving how we live and work. That's machine learning in a nutshell. This digital brain comes in three forms. Supervised learning, like a student learning from a teacher; unsupervised learning, like a child exploring the world independently; and reinforcement learning, like a pet learning tricks through rewards and penalties. Every day, machine learning helps us, from recommending the next binge-worthy series to driving autonomous vehicles. It's a data guru, analyzing mountains of information, identifying patterns, and making predictions. Industries all over the world are reaping the benefits. In healthcare, machine learning aids in early disease detection. In finance, it helps detect fraudulent transactions. The possibilities are endless. Want to delve deeper? There's a wealth of resources out there to kickstart your journey into machine learning. Remember, continuous learning is the key to unlock this digital treasure. Machine learning is more than just a buzzword. It's a revolutionary tool shaping the future of technology and innovation. Stay tuned for more enlightening content, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Until next time, keep exploring.